Want to add text to part of a video on Instagram Reels? I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to add and edit text in Instagram Reels. Now let's get started. If you're new to Instagram Reels, check out our Beginner's Guide to Reels to learn the basics. To add text to an Instagram Reel video, first record or upload your reel as you normally would. Then move on to editing. To add a text box, tap the text icon at the top. Type in what you'd like your text to say. You can change the color by tapping the rainbow icon at the top. Select one of the preset colors you like, or pick a custom color by holding down one of the set colors in the menu, then dragging your finger to choose the exact shade you're looking for. Change the font by tapping the A with a circle around it. Tap the font you want to use from the menu that appears above your keyboard. Edit the style of text by tapping the A with sparkles. Depending on the font you've chosen, this may add a background, invert the background and text color, or switch up the text style. To animate the text, tap the animate icon at the top. When you're finished creating your text, tap Done. Now you can drag the text around your video to place it where you'd like. Use 2 fingers to resize or rotate the text. To change what part of your video the text will appear on, tap the box at the bottom that corresponds to the text you just created. Then drag the beginning and end markers to indicate when in the video the text should appear. Repeat these steps to add as many text boxes as you'd like to your reel. When you're done, go ahead and post it. That's all it takes to add and edit text in Instagram Reels. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.